Parade attention! Good morning, Your Excellencies. I, Guinea Blessing Ranyever, GM/246/0392, Mano War Special Squad, formed up, ready to display. May I have your permission, sir?
Permission.
Parade standard is. You are welcome, Salunazuwa, Ekabo, Ayinasimu. You are welcome, Salunazuwa, Ekabo, Ayinasimu. With the man of war, special squad, we are saying, welcome to Amada Akko. With the man of war, special squad, we are saying, welcome to Amada Akko.
I think I will see Amada Akko. Come and see Joel in the savannah. A cabo.
Thank you and welcome, flag bearers. At this point, we are going to begin with the national pledge. We'll take it before I hand over to the Chief Judge for the rest of the program. So raise your right hand shortly above shoulder level, everybody. And please open your mouth and say the pledge. That's the beginning of the oath. One, two.